Hey guys, it's Ashley. I have a special treat for you guys today. It's our first bird video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hey guys, it's Ashley from Furever Rescued Pets, and today I'm here with Shondi from the Center for Animal Rehabilitation in Waukesha, Wisconsin. Shondi is over 20 years old, and she is a blue and gold macaw. Shondi likes to dance. She will sit like rocking back and forth. She will say hello and bye, and sometimes she will even say praise the Lord. Shondi likes to be held, and she is very friendly. Shondi would like a home with somebody who lives in a house, not in an apartment or condo, because they can be very loud. Shondi, like most other large birds, needs lots of attention because they are as smart as young kids. If you would like more information about Shondi, please go to the description down below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Shondi would like a home with somebody who lives in a house, not an apartment or a condo, because they can be very loud. I forgot the other part. Shondi will need lots of attention like most birds because, why? Because